everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reasons and Things. Welcome to the kitchen drawer collaboration or kitchen drawer challenge. In this video, you will go where no man has went before. Yes, it is the worst drawer in my house, where everything lands when my husband doesn't know where to put it. You're gonna see that mess, and I'm gonna organize it and make it look better. Hopefully he can stop putting things in this drawer that doesn't go there after I do this. This collaboration, the host is at Penny's Place, and the co-host is Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Yes, me. And Julia from Accessorize Your Life. Creative Miss Me with Stephanie. Real Living, Lady Phoenix. Grandma Sandy. In the Kitchen with Karen. And maybe more to come. Check out the playlist over at Penny's Place and find out different ways you can organize your kitchen drawer. I bought my kitchen drawer organizer at Amazon, and it's expandable to multiple size drawers, which is really convenient because my drawer was really big and I could use a big, it's bigger than the organizer was. So I had a little extra room on one side and in the back. But I know some of you have smaller drawers, so just make sure you measure your drawer before you buy your organizer. But I like this one because it expands to multiple sizes. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy this video. Beware, my drawer was messy. Okay, this is a mess in my kitchen drawer that I have to get organized. For Penny, she wants to go someplace nobody's been before. This is it. This is the drawer that everything catches here. And my husband seems to throw everything here, even things that don't go here. So I'm going to first start by pulling out things that definitely doesn't even go in this drawer. Okay, now I got an organizing tray that will go in here. I'm going to go over here and start putting things in it. Since I've cleaned this drawer out, I might as well clean it, whoosh the drawer out. Since this is right by the coffee pot, I know it always gets a lot of the coffee stuff. I chose this drawer because it's the biggest, one of the biggest drawers in our house. And it's one that my husband loves to just throw everything in this drawer, even stuff that doesn't go here. So it would be a great time to get this drawer organized. Now I have a little bit of space right here. I may put our whips there. And I may put these. I may put our meat shredders back here. Because we don't use those very often. Find a place for this. Well, that won't fit now, so I'll have to move that to a different drawer. I think these two will have to find a new home. Here's how I organized. I put all the stuff over here that my husband uses when grilling out. Because if you know Thad, he loves to grill. So this is all of his lighters for the grill, meat thermometers. This is his tongs and his little fork that he likes to use when he's out on the grill. And then I did cooking and baking. I should put this over here because he uses that in the grill a lot. And then these are spatulas and spoons. And that's how I organized my drawer. And I put the stuff in the back that I don't use very often. And I got rid of a ton of stuff that doesn't go here to make it a lot more organized than it used to be.